What it do, YouTube? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we back with another epic video, guys. Today was a recommended video by Panther Platfrom. You guys go and check out his YouTube channel. Today we are going to be listing a few things that we carry in the trunk of our Panther Platfrom, which is the 2004 Crown Victoria, aka the Bat. And this is what she's looking like, guys, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I carry in my trunk on a day-to-day basis and why, and things that I don't carry and why. So you don't necessarily have to do this, or you can, but this is just my preference. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to hold the trunk up with this hand because I am parked on the hill and the wind is blowing extra hard and don't want to get knocked out. So first things first, we have a set of jumper cables, y'all. That is a essential for any trunk of any vehicle, not just the Panther Platfrom. You never know when your battery may go dead because you left your lights on, or your battery just went dead from natural causes, or you know, whatever freak of nature that just want to happen, that you may have to get a jump, and 9 times out of 10 those around you don't even have any jumper cables. So yeah guys, a set of jumper cables is essential. We have a set of Alpine Type R12s back here and a Q-bomb box with a Planet Audio 3000 watt Class D amp. As y'all can see, my trunk is fairly bare. We do have a little knife over here just in case I gotta cut something. And this is the essential case here that I do want to bring out and show you guys. Very nice indeed. This is a just in case emergency kit. They are starting at $25 on Amazon, and I took this everywhere I go just in case. We have the roadside kind of cones there. We have a flashlight. We have a shovel, you know, just in case we got snowy weather or wherever. We have the extension to the shovel. We have gloves. We also have a very heavy duty blanket. It's almost like a thermal blanket, just in case, you know, cold weather, you get stuck out there, the car won't crank and it's cold, you can just wrap yourself up in the blanket. We also have toe straps. We have the handle to the shovel as well, and we have an extra set of jumper cables in here. And yes, this emergency kit is starting at $25 on Amazon. You can get one that's a lot expensive and that's bigger, and it has a few more items inside, but this is just an essential kit here, guys, that I carry in all of my vehicles, not just my Panther Platfrom. So if I were you guys, I would go and pick one of these up ASAP. If you have any kids or anything that you're worried about getting stranded out there ever, I mean, it says just in case for a reason, guys. So go and pick one of those up for one of your family members or for yourself, just to have, because you never know. I've been stranded a few times in multiple vehicles, not necessarily my Panther Platfrom. I haven't yet to be stranded in there, but you never know, guys. So those jumper cables, you know, you don't even have to just buy a set of jumper cables by themselves. You can get the just in case case, and that comes with everything that you'll need in any kind of weather. And you can set up, you know, your roadside stuff, come with a flashlight and everything. You don't have to buy that stuff by themselves. You can get the whole case, the whole kit, and you can just tote it around wherever you go. So I do not carry a spare tire in the Crown Vic. Simple fact is I have big rims and I do have AAA. Guys, that's another big thing with your insurance company. You do want to carry some kind of roadside assistance. It's very dangerous for you to be changing a tire on the side of the road, whether you're off of a main highway, on a main highway, or down a side road or whatever, you know. You have strangers always stopping. That's how people get kidnapped, get lost. Then you have reckless drivers that's not paying attention, that may run into your vehicle while you're working on it, possibly kill you, or, you know, give you grave bodily injury. So I tend to not want to do any kind of work on the side of the road that's very detrimental to my life. It's not that important for me to get my car at home myself. That's the reason why I have roadside assistance. And it's very cheap. You can just add it on to your car insurance. You know, you guys just check it out. It shouldn't up your premium like a few dollars here and there or whatever, but Yes, I do have roadside assistance on all of my vehicles, but I do have the just in case case, so I can set the little cones out. They do have reflectors on them, and you know, folks can know where I'm at or know to go around me or whatever the case may be. Yeah guys, so that right there was a highly recommended video from Panther Platfrom. Go and check his channel out, and he also have a review on the things that he carry in the trunk of his vehicle as well. So yeah guys, two-time Moto TV out. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, peace.